The bustling streets around Han Market beckon. You can already feel the energy buzzing in the air. Flower vendors line the entrance, their fragrant blooms a vibrant welcome to this sensory feast. Woven bags and traditional conical hats spill onto the pavement. It seems every local craft has a story to tell. Cho Han King Chao Kui Kach. Welcome to Han Market, a landmark in Da Nang since the French colonial period in the 1940s. The ground floor is a maze of sights and smells, a treasure trove of Vietnamese snacks and souvenirs. From dried seafood to handcrafted jewelry, the sheer variety is almost overwhelming, isn't it? Stalls overflowing with glistening pearls and intricate woodwork. Each piece seems to hold a fragment of local artistry.
Different price. 200, 300, 400.
200? What about this? Is it real one?
The real.
A real one?
Yeah.
So
Bargaining
what's the price?
is
300?
part of the experience
For
here.
one this.
A friendly smile and a calculator are your best tools.
Hello.
So this one, how much?
The price is settled with a nod
Okay, got you.
and a
But
smile.
how much?
This simple exchange feels like the heart of the market.
This one small.
Okay. What's the price difference?
The big one.
Big one.
500.
500 one. Small one, how much?
400.
Okay, got you. Thank you.
So many little trinkets and toys. Can you imagine the delight of a child exploring these aisles? You can find almost anything here, from everyday items to unique souvenirs that whisper tales of Vietnam. Notice the beautiful wooden statues. They often depict figures from Vietnamese folklore and history. The aroma of coffee and dried fruit mingles in the air, a signature scent of any Vietnamese market. Let's head downstairs, deeper into the heart of the market. This is where the locals often shop for their daily needs. The wet market section. Here, the energy is different. More raw, more authentic. A glimpse into daily life in Da Nang. Fresh produce, meats, and a vibrant food court await. The sound of chatter and sizzling food is everywhere. Look at this menu, a symphony of tropical fruits.
And smoothie.
Avocado, mango, durian.
Okay, got you. Thank you.
Which smoothie would you choose?
No. From Ukraine. Yeah, fighting, yeah.
The fish stalls are a testament to Da Nang's coastal soul. The catch is always fresh, brought in from the sea each morning. This is where you'll find the authentic flavors of central Vietnam. Many famous local dishes have their roots right here.
그 얼마에 사기로 했지?
Souvenirs, sir. Bag shop. Last में जाओ.
Ta mày có mà tròn nhá là mày quá đi. Cũng vậy đi mua đồ về.
Now, let's explore the second floor. It's a completely different world up here. Welcome to the fabric and clothing paradise. A kaleidoscope of colors and textures stretches out before us. This is the place to get custom-tailored clothing. Many shops can create a bespoke outfit for you in less than a day. Rows upon rows of Ao Dai, the elegant traditional Vietnamese dress. Each one is a work of art, don't you think? The skill of the tailors here is legendary. They can replicate a design from just a photograph.
Okay.
The vendors are often masters of their craft, ready to offer advice on fabrics and styles.
Many size, many color. Are you want silk, Vietnam silk? Many color. Vietnam silk high quality.
这个也是。
Check out to see.
好，先对。
Ủa đây trời quay cũng không ngoái gì trơn.
The narrow aisles create an intimate shopping experience. You're completely immersed in the vibrant commerce. Shoes of every imaginable style and color. Han Market truly caters to every taste. So many choices. It's easy to spend hours just browse, getting lost in the endless rows of merchandise. You can find many familiar brands here, though their authenticity might be part of the adventure.
shop.
Okay.
Cái nơi này đem xếp vào đâu?
You can see entire families shopping together. The market is a central hub of community life.
Hello, you t-shirt for men, cotton and silk.
No, thank you. Okay, okay.
T-shirt, cotton, many color, many size. Size
Okay.
for you, this size.
White, thank you.
A friendly negotiation in progress.
Many size.
It's a dance of numbers and gestures, understood by all. So many graphic tees with unique, often humorous designs. A wearable snapshot of current trends in pop culture.
바지도? 둘 다 한 짝씩 바꾸고 입어. 너무 커, 어벙해 보여.
You can find everything from casual wear to golf attire. The variety is truly astounding. The swimsuit and underwear section. Even the most practical items are sold with a flourish here.
You okay? 아 뭐야? wait.
The gentle breeze from a vendor's fan offers a moment of relief. The market can get quite warm and crowded during the day.
알았어.
Examining the material, checking the seams. Every purchase is a careful consideration.
What's the price for this one? What's the price? 200? Oh, okay.
이것도 들어보면은 복불복이라고 잘 쓰는 사람이 있고 한번 갖다
The sheer density of goods is incredible. Every square inch is utilized to display the merchandise.
Hello, can I have you manipulate the design?
Oh no, in t-shirt.
A moment of quiet contemplation for a vendor amidst the chaos. Life unfolds in these small, in-between moments.
Okay.
As we make our way back outside, the market's energy follows us. The sounds and sights linger in the memory. Back on the bustling street, the world feels alive. Motorbikes weave through traffic in a chaotic yet graceful ballet. What a journey through the heart of Da Nang's commerce and culture. Han Market is so much more than just a place to shop. You can even find fishing supplies here. A reminder that the sea is never far away in this coastal city. A street vendor with his portable sunglass shop. Entrepreneurship is woven into the very fabric of this place.